Hi, welcome to Design to Code. In this video, we are going to talk about the Material App Widget in Flutter. The Material App Widget is the main widget that sets up the visual design of your app and the structure of your Flutter application. And it is the starting point of any Flutter app, and it provides a number of important features to your application, such as routing, themes, and localization. The Material App Widget takes several properties such as title, which you can see here, and theme to dark, as we can go with that, and on generate route, initial route, navigator key, debug check banner, and performance overlay as well, which you can set to true if you want to see it in real time and check your application performance. And the title property, which you can see it here, is the title of the application and it will be displayed in the app bar. The theme property is the main theme of the app and it provides a consistent look and feel across all the screen, where you can just switch it between light and dark as per your specification. And the initial route is the initial route property is the first screen that app opens when it starts. And the home property, let me define it here, and the home property is the default home screen of the app and it's displayed when there is no route available. So in case of initial route, we haven't defined our initial route yet, so it will show an error because we haven't defined it yet. So we have to go with it will just refer us to a home page. The route property is the map of a named routes and their corresponding. So if we go and so as you can see here, initial route hasn't been defined yet, so we are just going to the default home page right now. The routes properties, it takes a map, so we define the map here, and it's a map of name routes and the corresponding widgets. The on generate route property is a callback function that generates route dynamically. So that was a brief overview of how the Material widget works, and you can customize your application look and feel by defining these properties here and defining your routing structure here. And if you are building a Flutter app, this is the starting point of building your application. Thank you for watching and happy coding.